say anything else. We're leaving.
No, you're not. Michael, you're doing the right thing by being here. Okay, you need to tell me exactly what happened.
Matt, just back off. This was just a misunderstanding. I'm taking Michael home.
Sonny's wife is in the hospital because someone ran her off Harborview Drive, and I know you're aware she's pregnant, Jason.
Let's go, Michael.
No, that's not an option. Former Michael's just told us he could be responsible for Claudia's accident. It's okay, Michael. Just tell me exactly what happened.
No, Michael's not saying another word.
Don't listen to him, Michael. You did the right thing by coming forward. Listen, our CSI unit is already at the scene. It's just a matter of time before we gather all the evidence. You're just going to make matters worse for yourself if you stay.
Michael is a minor. You have no right to question him without his attorney, Matt.
You have no legal authority here. You're not his guardian. You're not his attorney. You're only here, Jason, because I'm allowing it. All right? You keep interfering. That's going to change real fast.
I was driving on Harborview Road. This guy came out of nowhere and cut me off, and I lost it, you know? I got really pissed and gunned it to try to catch up with him. I was going way too fast. It was stupid.
It's okay. You're doing good. So what happened after that?
I couldn't hold the turn, so I went into the other lane. There was this other car coming right at me, so I had to swerve to get out of the way.
Did you see or hear the car crash behind you, the one you swerved to avoid?
I don't know. I just kept driving.
Okay. Okay. Look, that's enough for now. I don't want you to say any more. I want to wait until your attorney gets here. Michael. You did good by telling us the truth.
I need you at the police station right now.
And what, pray tell, are they holding you for now?
It's not me, it's Michael. He's in some serious trouble. Get him out of here, whatever it takes.
I'm on my way.
I know you wanted me to stay quiet. I couldn't. You know, it's my fault.
It's okay. We're gonna figure this out when Diane gets here. But do not say anything else to Mac, not another word.
I'm sorry if I let you down.
Michael, you didn't let me down. I'm just trying to protect you. Sometimes these cops have a way of twisting words. That's why it's always better to wait for Diane. She knows how to handle the situations.
I screwed everything up.
I know what you're going through. I do probably better than anybody, and all I can say to you that this is going to take some time. You have to be patient. You will get control of that anger, but just keep in mind, these cops, they don't care. They're going to act all sympathetic and understanding, and that's what it is. It's an act. It's part of their job to get you to incriminate yourself. So don't. You trust me on that much?
Look, I want forensics all over this, all right? The car, the accident site, the tire tracks, everything. And get some men out canvassing the point, looking for witnesses, too.
I'm on it.
Commissioner, I am here on behalf of my client, Michael Corinthos III, who, as you know, is a minor. I need him released immediately.
Michael confessed to reckless endangerment and leaving the scene of an accident. Both are criminal charges. I'm afraid Michael's not going anywhere.
So what happens now?
We do nothing. Diane's going to be arguing for your release. Just remember what she says. It's a tactic. Do not react and do not say anything until she tells you to.
The car that Michael may or may not have caused to swerve off the road, he's identified it as Claudia's.
No, he hasn't.
No. All right, so he's clearly identified Claudia as the driver.
No, but that...
No. All right, so let me just see if I have this straight, Commissioner. You have basically tried to coerce a confession out of a minor who has just awoken from a coma and is recovering from major brain surgery.
Don't try to twist this, Diane.
Those are the facts, Mac. Maybe hearing them out loud has made you realize just how ludicrous they would sound in front of a judge.
We didn't coerce anything. Michael came in here ready to confess. He has a conscience.
He also has rights, as inconvenient as those may be to your obvious agenda.
Wait a minute, our agenda?
Oh, come on, Commissioner. You can't honestly stand there and try to deny the fact that this department has for years attempted to secure a conviction against Michael's father. Now, failing that, you are maliciously persecuting Sonny's offspring.
This is ridiculous. Why can't you just let Michael tell the truth?
I can and will prove that you have taken advantage of a brain-damaged minor and that any confession you may have obtained is inadmissible because of Michael's mental incapacity. Release my client immediately, or I will be pressing criminal charges and citing mental cruelty.
You do whatever you think is necessary. I'm playing this by the book.
Michael is in no way a flight risk. You could release him into Jason's custody tonight, and then once you've finished your formal investigation, if you're still prepared to issue a warrant, Michael will surrender himself.
Between Sonny Corinthos and the Quartermaines, Michael is one of the most connected kids in Port Charles. He's a high flight risk. Michael Corinthos III, you're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
I need you to get a message to Carly. I'm with Michael at the police station. He's been arrested.
What? What happened?
Michael was driving on Harborview Road tonight, and he is convinced that he caused Claudia's accident, and he turned himself into the police.
What do you mean he thinks he caused the accident? Is there proof?
You know what? I honestly don't know either way. They arrested him based on his confession. I got Diane here working on it right now.
All right, well, I will handle Carly, and I'm sure you'll do whatever Michael needs. Okay, if you need anything, you call me.
All right.
Jason. Thank you.
I don't want Michael locked up.
Michael showed good faith by coming to you, Mac. Now let Jason post his bail and take him home.
I can't. How am I supposed to trust you'll keep him in this country?
Michael is a minor who is still recovering from a year in a coma. What kind of a message is it going to send if you start treating him like he's already a convicted felon?
Look, I'm not enjoying any of this, all right? I'm just doing my job. The fact is, Claudia and her baby are fighting for their lives because Michael chose to drive recklessly tonight. The message here is there's consequences for your actions. Take him to lockup.
No, this is not happening. You're not locking him up.
Jason, come on.
Matt, just please take me in his place. Don't lock him up.
I'm going to ask you this one time. Step away from Michael.
Jason, I'm just going to suggest that we not make matters any worse for Michael right now. If this is okay, this is not over. Come on.
It's okay.
Take him to lockup.
I'll be fine.